Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to let people follow you in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. By enabling this feature, you can expand your reach and increase your chances of successful transactions. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. From the left menu, locate and click on Marketplace. It's usually represented by a storefront icon. Step 3. Once you're on the Marketplace page, look for the gear icon located next to the Marketplace label. Click on it to access the settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Let People Follow You. Toggle the switch next to it to enable this feature. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled the Let People Follow You feature in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Now, potential buyers and sellers can follow your profile and stay updated with your listings. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.